Hello class, let me start writing program. Okay, so in module 5 we are going to focus on loop programs. Okay, so I have already created a folder and created a file called loop program1.cpp. Okay, now in this code, let me try to write program to print hello 5 times. Okay, so write a program to print hello 5 times. Okay, now while we are writing this program, we can write with two different loops, rather three different loops. But here we will talk about first of all two different loops, that is a for loop and while loop. These both loops are called entry controlled loop. Okay, so we will use first that we use a while loop. Okay, so we are going to use the while loop. Now, while we are using a while loop, we will use a control variable. Okay, we'll use control variable. And we should make sure that while we are using a control variable, there are three things which are very important. One is initialization, then second is a condition, and third is increment or decrement. Make sure these three things are very important while you are going to write any program of loop in any programming language. Okay, either it is a C++ or Java or Python or whatever programming language it is. Okay, so you should take care about these three things, that is a initialization, condition and increment and decrement. Now, I'll show you how can we write a program with use of while loop first. So here we have included a header file, a namespace is there, we'll start our main function, okay, and let me write return 0, okay. Now in main function we want to write a program where we want to take a control variable. So let's say we have taken control variable here I, okay. Now initialization is important. So we have initialized our variable I with value 1. Now we'll write a condition. So we are writing a loop because we want to print hello 5 times. Now it is possible to write a statement like I can write like print hello. I'm sorry, I have to use a cout, right? Okay, so cout hello /n. Okay, so this is, we can print like hello, and as we want to print it 5 times, we can copy paste. Okay, so here I have written hello 5 times, but it is okay if I want to write 5 times, then I can copy paste the statement. But if I want to print hello 50 times, then or 100 times, then should I write it 100 times? Is it good programming practice? No. Okay, and that's why we are going to use loop instead of writing cout statement multiple times. Okay, now how can we write a loop? So what we are doing, we have created one variable called I, have given its a value called 1, and we'll write a condition like while I is less than or equals 5, what we want to do? So we want to print hello, and when I value is 1, we have print hello, right? Then, so one time we have printed hello. Now what we are doing, we are increasing the I value by 1. Now I value is 2. We'll check condition, 2 less than or equals 5. Yes, then print hello. Now we have increased the value of I by 1. While we are writing I plus plus means whatever it is having its current value will be increased by 1. Okay, so in this case, what we are doing, I value is 1, 1 is less than or equals to 5, yes, then print hello first time. Now we have increased I by 1, so I value now become 2, and as it is a loop, make sure loop means what? So here to write a loop, we have written a while. Okay, so when compiler read the word while, that is called a keyword. Okay, so while compiler is reading the word keyword while, it will execute the same statement multiple time till this condition is true. Okay, this happens automatically, just we have to write a while, because as and when compiler will read the while keyword, it will instantly identify that okay, this is loop, means this statement should execute multiple times till the condition is true. Okay, now let me start again. So what happened? We have created one variable called I. Its value is 1. We are checking the condition like 1 is less than or equals 5. Yes. Then print hello. So it is going to print hello first time. Now we have increased I value by 1. So that is a 2. Now look at the condition. 2 less than or equals 5. Yes. Then print hello. Now it will become 3. 3 less than or equals 5. Yes. Print hello. Now it will increase. 4. 4 less than or equals 5. Yes. Print hello. Now increase. It will become 5. 5 less than or equals 5. 5 is not less than 5, but yes, 5 equals 5. So it will print hello fifth time. Now I value will increase. It will become 6. Again condition will be checked. 6 is less than or equals 5. No. So the statement of loop will not execute and loop is over. Then the next statement, that is return 0, will execute. Is it okay? So this is how the loop will execute. Okay. So let me run our code and look at the output. Okay, and we are getting hello 5 times. Now, how easy it is. Look at here. Instead of 5 times, if I want to print here 10 times, I'll make it 10. And the output will be printed 10 times. Okay, instead of 5 times. Now, okay, it is taking little bit time, and now look at this. Hello is printed 10 times. Now if I want to print hello 100 times, I will write 100. Easy? Okay. So whenever you want to print any number, value multiple times, just use loop. No, I'm sorry. It should not be only print, but whenever you want to repeat your task multiple times, use loop. Okay, so your same task will be repeated multiple times. Okay, so here we have printed hello and 10 times, 5 times. If we want to print 100 times, we can. Right? So this is advantage of loop, and we should not bother about like writing conditions. Just make sure it should initialize. Now let me show you, if I'm not going to write in, if I'm not increasing the value and I have written I is less than or equals 5. Okay, what will happen? I value is 1. 1 is less than or equals 5. Print hello. Now again 1 less than or equals 5. Print hello. And so on. So it is going to create infinite loop. Okay. So it is going to print it multiple times. So to avoid that, we should use, or we should change value of I variable. So what we have done here, we have increased I value by 1. And then we can print hello 5 times. Is it okay? Is it good? and easy, right? So here how can you print hello 5 times? Okay. Now if I want to write the same program with use of a for loop, how can we write it? We'll discuss in next video.